From the deepest jungles to the vast expanse of the ocean, our planet teems with life in countless forms. There are so many different animals in the world that nobody even knows the exact number of existing species. While many creatures capture our imagination with their beauty and grace, others possess a hidden danger, a deadly secret that reminds us of nature's power. Today we embark on a journey to encounter 12 such creatures, 12 animals whose paths you must never cross, for to do so could be fatal. These are not creatures to be trifled with. Their beauty often masks a deadly arsenal of toxins, venom, and raw power. Understanding these creatures, their habitats, and their defenses is essential for our own safety and for the preservation of the delicate balance of life on Earth. Our journey into the world of deadly creatures begins in the warm, inviting waters of the ocean. Here, lurking almost invisibly, is a creature so venomous, so swift in its kill, that it is widely considered the most dangerous animal on Earth. This is the box jellyfish, a creature whose bell can grow to the size of a basketball and whose tentacles can trail up to 10 feet long. Each of these tentacles is armed with millions of stinging cells, each containing a microscopic harpoon loaded with a cocktail of potent venom. The venom of the box jellyfish is a marvel of evolution, a complex mixture of toxins that attack the heart, nervous system, and skin cells. Encountering one can be fatal, and even brushing against a detached tentacle can deliver a potentially lethal dose of venom. Our next stop takes us from the ocean depths to the volcanic islands of Indonesia, home to the Komodo dragon, the largest living lizard on Earth. A formidable predator, its powerful legs and sharp claws allow it to move with surprising speed. When prey wanders too close, the Komodo dragon strikes with terrifying speed. Its jaws deliver a venom that induces shock and inhibits blood clotting. Though rare, attacks on humans remind us of its power. Beauty can be deceiving, and nowhere is this truer than in the animal kingdom. Our next creature, the blue-ringed octopus, is a testament to this fact. Small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, this cephalopod might seem innocuous at first glance, but beneath its vibrant blue rings lies a deadly secret. The blue-ringed octopus is a master of camouflage, its skin containing special cells that allow it to change color and blend seamlessly with its surroundings. This venom, tetrodotoxin, is one of the most powerful toxins known to science, paralyzing the victim's muscles and causing respiratory failure within minutes. There is no known antidote to tetrodotoxin, and survival depends on immediate medical attention, including artificial ventilation, to keep the victim breathing until the toxin wears off. From the ocean depths and the volcanic islands, we now travel to the African savanna, a land of vast plains and teeming wildlife. Here, amidst the herds of zebra and wildebeest, lurks a tiny insect whose bite carries a deadly threat, the Tsetse fly. Its danger lies in its bite, a bite that can transmit a parasitic protozoan that causes African trypanosomiasis, more commonly known as sleeping sickness. Initial symptoms of sleeping sickness include fever, headaches, and joint pain, often mistaken for other illnesses. Without treatment, sleeping sickness is fatal. Deep within the rainforests of Central and South America lives a creature whose vibrant colors are a warning to all who come near. This is the poison dart frog, a tiny amphibian whose skin secretes a deadly toxin that has been used by indigenous tribes for centuries to tip their blowgun darts. Poison dart frogs are a diverse group with over 100 species, each more colorful and more toxic than the next. The toxin secreted by poison dart frogs is a potent alkaloid that disrupts the nervous system, causing paralysis, heart failure, and death. What's remarkable is that these frogs don't actually produce the toxin themselves. Instead, they obtain it from their diet, which consists primarily of ants, mites, and other small invertebrates. Their beauty is best admired from a distance, a reminder that in the rainforest, even the smallest creatures can pack a deadly punch. Africa is a continent of extremes, home to some of the largest and most impressive creatures on Earth. But it is also home to some of the deadliest, none more so than the black mamba, a snake whose speed, aggression, and potent venom have earned it a fearsome reputation. The black mamba is a large snake, with adults reaching lengths of up to 14 feet. Unlike many snakes that prefer to avoid confrontation, the black mamba is highly aggressive and will not hesitate to strike if it feels threatened. The black mamba's venom is a neurotoxin that attacks the nervous system, causing paralysis, respiratory failure, and death. Even with antivenom, survival depends on the severity of the bite and how quickly treatment is received. From the rainforests of South America, we meet the Brazilian wandering spider, the most venomous spider on Earth. This large, hairy arachnid hunts actively at night, injecting potent neurotoxins when it bites. Though not aggressive, it will bite if threatened, causing intense pain and muscle paralysis. Immediate medical attention and antivenom are crucial for recovery. Our next creature takes us to the Americas, where a hybrid insect, the result of a scientific experiment gone wrong, has been terrorizing unsuspecting victims for decades. This is the Africanized honeybee, also known as the killer bee, a highly aggressive insect whose venom, while not particularly potent, can be deadly in large doses. Africanized honeybees are highly defensive of their hives and will attack in much larger numbers than European honeybees. They are also more easily provoked and will pursue perceived threats for much longer distances. Because they attack in such large numbers, victims can receive hundreds or even thousands of stings, leading to a massive dose of venom that can overwhelm the body's defenses. It is important to be aware of your surroundings, especially in areas where Africanized honeybees are known to be present, and to avoid disturbing hives or swarms. Our journey into the world of deadly creatures takes us to the ocean, where a master of camouflage lies in wait. This is the stonefish, a fish that blends seamlessly with its surroundings. Its venomous spines are a formidable defense mechanism. The stonefish is a reminder that in the ocean danger can lurk in unexpected places. The ocean depths hold many secrets, and among the most intriguing and deadly creatures lurking beneath the waves is the cone snail. Don't let its slow, deliberate movements fool you. This mollusk is a highly efficient predator, armed with a harpoon-like tooth that delivers a potent cocktail of neurotoxins. Cone snails are found in tropical and subtropical waters worldwide, their beautiful, intricately patterned shells highly prized by collectors. However, beneath this attractive exterior lies a deadly secret. The venom of a cone snail is a complex mixture of hundreds of different toxins, each targeting specific receptors in the nervous system. The effects of this venom can be rapid and devastating, causing paralysis, respiratory failure, and death. The best way to avoid being stung by a cone snail is to admire their beauty from a distance and to never handle them directly. Our journey through the world of deadly creatures now takes us to the arid deserts and scrublands of Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Asia, where a small but highly venomous snake, the carpet viper, lies in wait. Often overlooked due to its size and cryptic coloration, this viper is responsible for more snakebite fatalities than any other snake species on Earth. The carpet viper is a relatively small snake, rarely exceeding 3 feet in length. Its camouflage makes it a master of ambush, lying in wait for unsuspecting prey to wander too close. When threatened, the carpet viper coils tightly, hisses loudly, and strikes with lightning speed. Its fangs are long and hinged, allowing it to inject a potent venom deep into its victim's flesh. Without antivenom, carpet viper bites can be fatal, particularly for children and the elderly. Our final stop on this journey takes us to the deserts of North Africa and the Middle East, home to the Deathstalker scorpion. Its sting delivers excruciating pain. This small but venomous arachnid has venom that can kill a human in hours. Despite its size, it is highly aggressive and will sting if threatened. Immediate medical attention is crucial. Even the smallest creatures can possess deadly defenses. Our journey into the world of deadly creatures has taken us across continents and into some of the planet's most extreme environments. We've encountered creatures of remarkable beauty and terrifying power, animals whose venom, toxins, and sheer strength serve as a stark reminder of the dangers that lurk in the wild. It's easy to view these creatures with fear and revulsion, but it's essential to remember that they are not monsters. They are simply animals, exquisitely adapted to their environments, their deadly defenses honed by millions of years of evolution. Understanding these creatures, respecting their boundaries, and taking precautions to avoid encounters is crucial, not only for our own safety, but also for the preservation of these fascinating and important species. So, the next time you find yourself exploring the natural world, remember the creatures we've encountered today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more incredible journeys into the wild.